Hi, I'm Pierre Claassen, the author of The Bok Way. The book focuses on the 2018 to 2025 double World Cup champion Springbok team to understand what they've been doing to create a high-performing environment that brings the best out of people so that they can compete on the highest level. The really cool thing about the book is that I was able to interview key members of the team that have been a part of the environment for a very long time to understand in depth what they do to create the best place for people to perform. What I did then was to unpack in a sporting context what you can do in your business or team environment where you have influence to create high-performing environments to bring the best out of your people. So if you are interested in influencing culture, creating high-performing environments, and just really interested about what the Boks do to be the best team in the world, this book is for you. I hope you enjoy it, and thank you for the support.